Now, wow, my people, they really talk say, monkey dey walk, babo dey chop. Now, be this couples matter one and one they watch. So, this particular video, the thing don't go viral, not be small. My correct people, before I go to tell now what they sup for this video, make I first hail una. Hello, my wonderful kings and queens. You are welcome back again to my channel. Yes, so I'm back again with another video. My name now Lady G. In case today na your first time when you come across this my channel and you never subscribe, I beg make you not forget to subscribe and just click that notification bell so that anytime when I throw ogbonge gist like this, you know go fit dey miss am. Yes, my correct people, this particular video when they go viral, so now about these two couples when be say now America now they stay and they not be small picking like that, they don't grow. These people when they talk, so now people when be say they don't be that kind 60 or so. So the whole matter like this it is start. These two couples then get plans say one day they will go settle down for Obodo Nigeria. So now they come build house for there. They come build two duplex according to how we take hear the news. They come talk say if the time don't reach when they go take retire so that they go see what they go fall back on. But last na e come be say na the man na e come first decide say he won't go relocate, he won't go stay for house Obodo Naija. Meanwhile, the woman sef come still there for America with her 4 children and she herself she be lawyer. Meanwhile, he no know say the man when he talk say he won't go relocate stay for Naija because say he don't get some contract of work wey he wan dey do for there. He no know say this man now say this man don't get another woman for that Obodo Naija when he just dey chill out with him. In there just dey live la vida loca with another woman for there. And we come see dey hear the news say this particular woman when be say this man go relocate go dey stay with for Obodo Naija. Now this particular woman himself she still get her husband when be say they stay for UK. Una see the way the whole matter dey jam. So as e come be say kasala come dey burst now where everything come be say everything dey mix together up and down be say this particular woman come say he won't visit Nigeria like that one day, can't just go there unexpectedly. Be say he don't dey hear some rumors say this man don't get another babe, abi another woman for Obodo Naija. So he just go there and he not just let anybody know say he won't show. As he show now, he just burst into their house. He come see say this other woman don't even occupy everything in their bedroom. All the things when be say she buy with her hand for the US, they pack, they go Obodo Naija, make it take arrange this he has for ground in case say she won't relocate tomorrow. This woman self don't they use all of them, everything when he buy the new things, the woman don't use all of them don't become fairly used, my correct people. So the thing that can't really pepper the woman for body as the woman see the way the whole things be say as this his husband with this age he never see one common hand for women matter. Now himself can't suffer waka you now they can't share paper. As they come share paper, na he come talk say because in the fear, make the man not come carry sickness, come carry and give am one day. As he suffer day for inside her house, jejeleje. As they come share paper, na she come talk say she want her own part of the property because most of the things when be say they buy for house, which is especially the house when they build together, say 75% now she contribute to all these things. Now from there, na wahala come burst to in the sense that now in the side chicken when be say the man they follow that one when be say he wear native so now go see and she be the side chicken and the one when be say he wear black and black, that woman with short hair when he put black top and black up and down like that, now she be the woman so now the side chicken come carry wahala come say no way this one na in house say he don't turn that for here, she not get where they go. Meanwhile this woman now she get 4 children and those children they don't still grow small. Now she can't go back to her men now. That the children now some come follow and come back to Obodo Naija. As they come reach house, now they come follow their papa. They begin. Now they come pack the side babe load. Now they come pack and come out. They come pack and put for domot. Say make she come out. This one not be her place, and she get her husband. Make she go her husband house. You see you they come they chop another man wife for Obodo Naija, and you leave your wife and your children for America. So as the whole matter come be say they shake everywhere now. Now they can call Olakpa come enter inside. As Olakpa come enter inside, now you can invite all of them come their office. Now inside the office, now they see and say when they add all this drama, you see say when they get themselves, they come they get themselves. The one you can't pay many people pass for inside be say the husband of this woman when be say now then get the house, he sit down they watch this is side this is side chicken. I be waiting I will call him when he be say he they throw away rough mouth for this wife anyhow and he not talk anything. And the only thing when we dey hear for inside be say the man self talk say he go join this his side chicken follow and do this wife reach where go fit do and we say they not get where they go. Say now this wife, this illegal wife now he need to come out for the house, make him leave the house for he won't be the man and the side chicken. My correct now see the way things they go for this life. So if now see some people when be say, especially people when be say, then there for this obodo Naija, before you go they decide say everything when you they suffer for everything when you they work, you want to join out with your husband. Oh man, I tell you do something for house. Make you they think twice, or make you they take your tongue, they count your teeth first, because most of all these men when be say that they do all these things, that they carry things, they will say they want to go invest for house. Last, forget say whether you born children for now for here. Last, now another women and then they enjoy them. Quote me anywhere. Most stories when I don't hear for this abroad, I don't there for this abroad for how many years? I don't hear different stories like this. This will not be the first one when I don't hear. Now other women are in the enjoy. So if you be say the man talk say he won't relocate, you never get intention say you ready to relocate with the man, make una go stay there together. My dear, not just waste your time, because at the end of the day, another woman now you go enjoy all those things in the sense that how many hours when you go work for here, you go work, your hand and your fingers, all of them go fight. At the end of the day, another woman will come to enjoy them. My people, follow your heart, so now my own how they talk. So if you feel say now, so you won't do and say anything when you work, you pack and give the man, make go take and invest for house. You want to go use and build house, you want to go use and do this one. Meanwhile, you there for here. Get out for your mind, say, now another woman, now you they do all those things for. That one on my own, though, now my own talk. So my correct people, I don't know which one be now. So I go drop the video for now, and I go watch and by myself, still listen to waiting they happen for here. They on ourselves will constantly drop on our own comment and waiting and think for the comment section. So my correct people, I go leave on for here today. In case today na your first time when you dey come across this my channel and you never subscribe, I beg make you not forget to subscribe and just click that notification bell so that anytime when I throw ogbonge gist like this, you know if you dey miss am. And my returning subscriber, my viewers, when they always they watch my video, anytime when they say I drop this video, that they help me watch am. God will bless now so much, so richly. I appreciate now so much. God bless now, thank you now so much. So I will see you now very soon for my next video when you know go to take from now. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.
Pastor, don't say anything.
He was looking at me threatening.
Who are you? He's looking at
This is what I do. I can bring my whole family here. They cannot stand up against him. Who the hell are you to come? You are carrying a bastard. You are a python bastard. Go and claim your home. Go and claim your home. Be sure. Go and claim your home. You keep it up for the your children are back. Your children are back. Your children are back. You cannot come and take my home. It's my home. It's my home. It's my home. Oh yeah, it's mine. It's mine. 25 years. Yes. My income taxes. Idiot. You drug dealer. I'm throwing your things out of my bedroom. I've thrown your. They are fucking you. They are fucking you on the bed. On the bed. Yes, because it's my bed. It's my bedroom. In this Lagos. I throw your fucking things. It's my bedroom. I throw it out. I have all the documents. Don't want it. Please write it. You can have it. I want it. Viagra. You don't need Viagra for you. I have a younger man. Nothing. You arrest me. I'm waiting for you. All you did is check. I'm waiting for you. Enough is enough. It's enough. I'm telling you. No, they cannot take you. They cannot take you. Who the hell is Tokunbo Daramola? You feel this from justice. Before me, because of me, you did not go to get the New Jersey. I want to clean up your conviction. You were already convicted. You were already convicted. I clean it up. You were convicted. I clean it up for you. You bastard. I've done all your bleach. I've done all your... Yes. What do you do? What do you do? Sit down. What do you do? What do you do?
You know what you did to me? I'm sorry, that's why you did to me. This bastard.
Get out, guys. Kill you on my bed. Madam, you will enter my house. You will enter my house. Madam, you will enter my house. You fuck them on my bed. Record, the recording. The recording of one. You go and record everything. Record that, record that.
All right, darling. All right, darling. No wonder, let's have the same kind of
Sorry, my bad.
I'm not the one that was saying. Okay.
Give him a talk.
We had, I give you that. We had people. I don't mind leaving the house for her. I'm not a troublemaker. And if somebody step on my toes, I'm fine. The reason why I involved you is because I don't want us to go there. Physical fight starts. Somebody gets killed. Then people will blame me that I'm an educated man. Why are you fighting the way your wife, your extreme life was born? She's been fighting since. If people cannot get along, it's not a big deal. You don't have to fight. What can it take? Everybody gets what they want, and they move on. Throwing my stuff out of the house. Throwing my stuff out of the house. Knocking me out, which you already did in America. And I left the property for them. She wants to come here now and start another fight for the property. Sir, your intervention, all these papers you got, because every time she took me to court, she loses. And she's losing the current, she's losing again. Because she lied to the judge. That's not true. That they have reduced her salary.
No, that's not true.
You can't pay child support.
But that's not what I'm saying.
And you are doing
While we are here,
free talk.
while we are here, it's good.
You have no right to touch my stuff. They have no right to bring any guests into this house. Oh, we don't follow your possibility.
Is this not the guest?
Take that from
Did I ask you to leave?
I tell you, you cannot take it. I cannot leave.
Did I ask you to leave? Yes, you said it after. Did I ask you to leave?